Punishments are like a nightmare for children, making them do sit ups, a timeout in the corner, and all kinds of funny poses just so that they don't repeat the same mistake again. Sometimes the punishments you give them are so common that children take you for granted. They'll be like, eh, a hand punishment? Face yourself towards the wall? What more can it be? Yes, they are that smart. So, dear parents, why not bring creative twists to your punishments? Oh, yes, we have come up with 10 creative punishments that will change your kids. Pick your chit. On a quiet weekend, sit with your little one, cook up some story. Tell him or her, so darling, if so and so person committed something wrong or behaved badly, what punishment would you give them? Tell them to suggest some funny punishments. Ask them to write them on chits and put them in a bowl. So the next time when you catch them red-handed doing something wrong, hand over the same bowl to them. Aha! Gotcha! Make them undergo the same punishments. Isn't that the best way to teach them a lesson? An apology card. Children are hyperactive. They tend to make a lot of mistakes. Chasing siblings, pulling each other's hair, or even being abusive. Now don't you think they've got to be apologetic for their actions? Of course. But shouting at them is not the solution. You can bring a small twist here. Why not tell them to make an apology card, sprinkle a little glitter, play around with crayons, etc. Here the children not only understand their mistake but also get to explore their creative side. A helping hand. Aren't household chores a great way to learn new responsibilities? So why not redefine punishments? Exactly! Making children your helping hand in household chores is one of the best ways to make them realize their mistakes. It can be stacking up clothes in the cupboard, doing the dishes, making the living room spick and span. In this process, they'll also learn the art of homemaking. Art of segregation. Say a little one has a bad habit of dumping wastes, wet and dry, in one garbage bin. Doesn't this irk you? Well, it's high time you stop your kids from doing this. There are plenty of ways to teach children lessons, and the art of segregation is one of them. For example, segregating dry and wet waste. Here, you're imparting the knowledge of trash management to children so that the next time they dump the trash in the wrong place, they know what to do. That's absolutely fine if they make funny faces while separating wastes. Isn't that a creative punishment? Win-win! Calm nerves down. Inculcating good habits in children is very important. Teaching children habits like meditation and yoga at an early age does wonders for them. Children aren't set to be early birds, but that's fine. If you don't push them, they won't learn. Practicing exercises like yoga and meditation helps improve their behavior, keeps them fit mentally and physically. Now that's what you call a healthy punishment. Earn your pocket money. If your child has lied about something, you have the option not only to cut their pocket money, but also give them a chance to gain your trust by telling them to earn the pocket money. Wait a second. When we talk about earning pocket money, we aren't suggesting give children mean jobs. Say for example, your 13-year-old could make some fresh lemonade and sell it in the neighborhood. This becomes not just a creative punishment but also teaches them the value of money. Water plants. With the world moving very fast today and technology taking up the place of relations, our children often forget to live life. You need to pause. Tell your kids to keep all the phones aside and see what the world outside is like. Give them a task, like watering plants every day for a week. This will not only bring children closer to nature but also give them a good break. The routine life. Curfew time. Are your kids breaking rules again? No worries. Here's what you can do to teach them a lesson. How about you tell them to prepare a routine? like a timetable, say 5 days a week. Stick it on the wall or their wardrobe and tell them to follow the routine diligently. Still not following the routine? Extend the days from 5 to 10. This will put them into the habit of following the routine during a curfew. House of Cards. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So, keep all the books aside and get your kids involved in a fun activity. So, why House of Cards? Building pyramids out of cards is one of the best ways to keep children engaged, enhance concentration and focus. Not just that, it even teaches you the spirit of not giving up. Reverse roles. Time for a role reversal. You've seen how kids get back from school, have milk and snacks, and rush in front of the idiot box to watch their favorite channels. Exchange the roles. Why don't you relax, have your own sweet time, and let the children bring you milk and cookies? Isn't that one of the cutest punishments? These funny creative punishments indirectly teach them to be well-mannered. By giving these punishments, the chances of your kids being grumpy or being mad at you are very less. Use these creative hacks and you'll see how your children grow up to become such amazing beings.